We are gonna show you, say, since we are compare Vibes Cartel and show no the proof why Vibes Cartel is a way better artist than Aidonia, right? When it comes to lyrical performance, writing skill, you name it, you know, smarter, witty, all of that. You just name it. Vibes Cartel, claim it. I tell you, you see me? I be a hit. And so what I want to know, Zin, is that what I want to know is that Aidonia started out, Zin. My virgin and boss Aidonia. I must make sure I tell you no. And this is no cap. Zin. Aidonia talk about this. Talk about squint about Scrum Dilly. Right? Scrum Dilly. I'm a producer. Links like my brother. First of all, me go prove it. Cause Donia make it clear. Donia tell the world say this youth ya boss him. Scrum Dilly is a Panamanian who was born in Jamaican. You see me? Maybe he was born in Panama, but he had been here in Jamaica since he's like a toddler. You see me? Either or the other. You see me? He's either in born in Panama and him come here when him young or him born at Jamaica. Right? In a belly. In a Jamaica. But the sex probably took place at Panama. Cause him family them at Panama. Him name Scrum Dilly. See, aka El Rico. Most people just call him Rico. You see me? El Rico Dan Patron. In full name. Tall, slender, the girl them would have say cute looking motherfucker, you know what I mean? Yeah, Scrum Dilly, the general, I'm Boss Donia. He's a producer slash artist slash all type of thing. You understand me? And what happened is Scrum Dilly actually that vice Aidonia. See? From the same road where me I telling about uptown. You see me? Up Gore Terrace, a road named Gore Terrace that meets Wetcombe Drive, which was the road Aidonia lived on. Cause a bridge connect those two roads. You get what I say? So up there, so Aidonia studio did the Scrum Dilly I'm producer. And a Scrum Dilly was his motivator. Scrum Dilly did have to motivate Donia for come do music seriously. Because Donia did shy. Everybody know what Pepsi them did call Donia before him get the name Aidonia. See? So I know the beginning of them on their career. Size 10, I'm a general from Duane Park. Zane, and may his soul rest in peace, because Size 10 had died recently, even though him and Donia fall out. So when Donia entered the music business, what happened? Scrum Dilly worked with Scatter as a producer over the years. Scrum Dilly was the man behind Scatter major project, right? Scatter was a big producer when known to the world, but Scrum Dilly was the man Scatter had behind closed door, with the secret sauce, spice, and remedy to the hit rhythm them. See? So, as I said, Scrum Dilly, aka Rico, Dan El Patron, you name whatever, right? Scrum Dilly family them from Panama, some bad people them. Them look like Scrum Dilly family them from Panama. When you see them, alright. If you want to see Scrum Dilly family them, real bad people from Panama. Just watch any prison movie and you see the man them where you see with tattoo from head to toe, with bald headed and tattoo from head to toe, them they are Scrum Dilly family. Some cereal. I'm not talking about cornflakes. Cereal them. You see? So Scrum Dilly I work with Scatter for years. So when Scrum Dilly met Donia, who them a call Pepsi, in time the Donia play a basketball at the Mormon church up down Robin Dessa on Constant Spring Road. Where right at the Mormon church where Don Robin carry out to. See? Over there so Pepsi a play a ball. See? And once Scrum Dilly met with him and find out say him bad, see? Scrum Dilly carry him to Scatter. Now watch this. Most of them tune the way I do when you did have them time there. When sing to the man them and to Scrum Dilly and make Scrum Dilly here. Most of them sang there a size 10 sang them from school days where them are sing. You see me? Size 10 and Donia have bridging from school days. And Size 10 had a book. Because I tell you, me and Size 10 I so sit down and chat with him for years before him drop out. Size 10 there, I'm foot regular and Donia come pick him up in the white Lexus back in the days. And, we'll leave a flex. So, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. You see me? Alright. So, I'm mostly Size 10. A Size 10 farm the three syllable rhyme them. You see me? All of them three syllable rhymes that we're doing your boss with, that flow they come from Size 10. See? And Size 10 give it up. Cause Size 10 a bad man, everybody know. And them man, he was a doctor. He left school a doctor boss and them thing there, a run road. That a Size 10. While Donia uptown, and Donia was considered as a real youth still. We still a look out for Size 10 as a youth who have it hard out there in the streets and thing. But because Donia look up to size 10 as the bad artist, Donia did just have to draw for size 10 for help him with him career. Because him know say if him bring size 10 style to the world, it go captivate the place. See? So him go so boom. And after him go so boom now, see? Size 10 one smart boy, you know, terrible thinking, terrible thinker. Him think different. That's why size 10 could have come up with these three syllable floats from him I go high school. You see me? And I show him listen rap. And him say, yo, you know, say if them rap artists here make them long stretch of syllable words, yeah, me go bring it to dancehall as a little high school youth, him terrible, you know. And then Donia love that and Donia start pattern him style and do music too with size 10 until Donia come meet Scrum Dilly vice him and say, yo, a time for me carry a scatter. I'm going to scatter them on Princeville Plaza. So when Scrum Dilly carries, I don't have to scatter Princeville Plaza who Scrum Dilly usually work with, as I tell you. See? Thing there, Scatter have to respect that because him know say Scrum Dilly a bad producer. We are giving the secret sauce them we are make Scatter rich and well known. So Scatter did nothing more than have to work with Aidonia. Zine. I remember say Aidonia did have Mr. G to work with to as an artist where they uptown, you have other bridging who are try put you onto other people. You see me? And not just one person I work with you all the time as an artist when I boss yet. You have other links where I call you and say, yo, me have a link I want to put you onto, you know. And I say, all right. And then Donia will tell Scrum Dilly, say, Scrum Dilly, you know, say, me meet a person out so and Ray, them want drop up on the Goofy Ray and but Goofy and Scatter are one link to, you know, you get me as say? But them never too tight like that. Cause you know it's easy for business people in a music have some little weird way of dealing with each other, you see me? Yeah, them not really committed to one another like that unless you're dep on them team definitely. So when Scrum Dilly carry Donia to Scatter, Scatter did have busy signal I work with. Them kind of busy up here scatter a whole heap of money for work on them project them like album and mixtape and them thing there, you see me? So because do when you're going at studio, go see busy more time, you know. But then busy never really have no style was stand out. Busy was just fortunate for find a big song when him just a show out. Him fortunate for find a big song. And busy could a DJ fast, you know, him did bad. But him never have no style for himself for people can say it's a busy that, you know? Busy to have this fast chopping style, but him never have nothing so eloquent about him sound or nothing eminent that stands out. You know what I mean? But him first song will bring busy to the world. Step out in him black art. You see me? Big song. Step out it name. So busy even make it harder for the one you get him boss. Busy as a simple artist who could a DJ and chop fast. Busy signal make it hard for doing your boss. And not because the both of them work with Scatter, no. Because busy signal just did a find the big bad song them. And then guess what go on now? Aidonia and busy go in a clash. Now watch this. Me no mean like me don't even talk about song yet when me say clash. See, me I talk about the fact that when Aidonia go link Scatter and busy in our studio, them never like each other. You see what I say? And then maybe Scatter put them up against each other. Cause producer will be sneakingly conniving for them thing. Although many people had came out and made it clear that um Busy was the one who was pre in Aidonia. I say, yo, you know, them say Busy are the first one. Fear say bad things to scatter about Aidonia, right? Because Aidonia love him dark as them time there. And Donia have one little terrible military face cause Aidonia father a soldier, you know. So Donia did look militant in him face when him young, you know. You see me? And Donia used to screw, you know, him have this natural screw face thing. See him? But then Donia play it off in him song and use the lyrics in him song and say Busy are the one who love for screw face. And Donia say I'm not afraid of screw face. However, from Scatter go make Donia know say, yo, Busy I said this and said that, you know. So yeah, you know, your dark glass I come in a studio and rare. You know what I mean? So hold on there. So I guess on how the beef start. So when Donia should I try focus on I put out a solid song. Donia end up start off in career I go up busy very hard. Like 90 other Donia sang them, first set I sang them, aimed at busy. And then the other 10% time first set I sang them was like girl song, weed song, other topics, right? But everything was gone on a this busy and be a thing, right? But the thing was, the world now hear Aidonia. All when Scatter put out the song, them other big producer put out Aidonia song them, the world not ready for listen to him. Because him style new, but then Donia did have a derogatory vice them time there. I almost said derogatory vice. In vice, they just chaka chaka. And that me did fell in love with because dancehall supposed to be chaka chaka. You get me? I say it's supposed to be raw and you know what I mean? Yeah. So the fact that don't have this raw, terrible sound, trang sound, but it fell in love with it and in lyrics, the three syllable thing. I start get doing a CD them. It come like God just find everybody for place around me where they'd find a great interest in Aidonia. Because as people start finding out how much Maria doing ya, people are giving him CD. I say, yo, Ray, I'm saying, dog, when you get this, I'm gonna get it for myself. Me, I listen doing it every day. Me hardly I listen cartel, me I tell you the truth, back in a '04. Zine. I doing it, me I listen most of '04. Zine. But Cartel have him hit song them a road where I play, you know. Them time they every day I want to hear doing upon the latest. I mix them with the Cartel and the Busy them now. And is make a Busy go kick off him career with a big song. So Busy start getting at the mix now. You see me with the Cartel them and you see me and getting at the mix with the Bunty and the whole of them. You see it? Yeah, me I tell you say yo. All weird, myself would have bex them time there because me have about 100 odd Aidonia song I listen. Me have two Aidonia CD them time there. Each of them have 30 tracks on it. Plus, me have some other CD full Aidonia with like 10 tracks, 15 tracks. You know what I mean? And a few other tracks. Everybody me I tell about Aidonia. Me I listen and sing him song them and I long chichi bus them. Them all white chichi bus there. I got work. See? '04. '05. '05 now I do and make a more and more better impact, you know. You get me I say? Because him start find a few songs we get radio friendly. See? So Duania did have a challenge, brother. Because I remember every time a new mix come out, I'm gonna hear Duania on the rhythm them when me I hear him voice on the CD. I'm vex. Vex. What me say? That people are call me never did it Donia them time there. I mix my name with Donia name and you get me I say too much. Me I sing Donia, I tell people about Donia. Be a free promotion me I do. Right now Donia owe me millions for the amount of promotion when me do. Free fame. You see me? Him can't pay me them money there. But over time I end up say Donia nah connect the right way. He might fall out of line and out of place. Because what you go on? Because of boom now, you know. Zane, when Dwana go do the song about Bookam. Bookam, clap it again. Bookam, Bookam, the whole place. Shookam, the burner, burn them like stove over your cookan. In the square where people can look on everything beat Bookam. So me I say, I say, um, yeah, this busy in the song there, you know. Burn them like stove over your cookan. In the square where people can look on. Adobe. What man, the ski mask, love follow back man, call them love pre-ass, AR, we flash, half at both your head, both half equally, in a tree half, right for shot, your face, your knee pass. I cannot try to feel fast. Yo, why make you give him so much shot? Something, something, something. You don't need to have this mad style lag, you see me? But Bookam did, yo, the diss track them did love the Bookam, you know. I did like the Bookam, but it was far from the top favorite that I do when I sang them with me. Did one for thing there. Me I say, yo, I couldn't that song if I do one of them up on the radio I play like Bookam. See? So the Bookam they are connect. The radio disc jockey them did love it, but them I try make the people them love it. And the people them kind of take a while for thing there. And then guess what I go on to? After Busy, big first song a kick out and make Busy so big that the girl them love him, the gangster them love him, and then Busy go find one slang there. We go take the place by storm when Busy say, sound the big thing them, sound it, sound it. Everybody starts to sound the big thing them. You see me? Them time members say Cartel always have the slang. When Cartel I say, yo, up to the time, round to the hour, down to the minute. You see me? And them thing there. And that was the top slang for year for 2003 and it had run for 2004. But when Busy go come with sound the big thing them, sound it, then it end up run the place, that song there. And then Busy go find a next song where go say Busy go find a next song where I say no, Busy go find a next song where I say, we're not going down. All them off and them up and them a frown. Can't take the ghetto you them for clown. Cause what goes around comes all the way around. Too much when I get screwed. You can't watch what you say or do. Cause it just might happen to you. When you work hard but chosen or few. Got some news today. Gotta be up right away. So that song there, commercial, big. Everybody could have listened it. I don't know how busy did so lucky for find them bad song there. I don't know who give them song there. But the song them were busy that I find it just and make it way more harder for people. Find Donia. Cause Donia put out be a song of this man yeah. We have find so much big song and I make people love him. So when sometimes me go to all some people and I say, yo, this is Aidonia. And me I tell him say Aidonia do that song yeah, and him are this busy. And them I say, yo, how him for this busy? Cause them don't even know Aidonia. This are like all '05 too, you know. Zane. But as I say, later in '05, Aidonia come get a little more benign. Zane, cause and most of the ghetto youth them know Aidonia from 2004, you know. Basically nobody no know Aidonia in 2004, really, more than the man them who want to see him boss, the people them in him place, and the ghetto youth them, they know Aidonia. And not most of the ghetto youth them, not all of them. You get me? A few of them. Because them time there, when all the ghetto youth when know about Donia era, you come in a film place and I talk about Donia, I say, dog, you know them man there? Yo, big up! Because none of them money in the place I know him. I'm an artist. So we as Donia fans are connected with other Donia fans, and so was a fanatic, may I tell you. You see me? Me I tell you say, me I tell you say, oh 05 now. Oh 05 when I do when I got thing there. Oh 05 do when I go start get the popular rhythm them now from Genius and you know. That's when I do when I go do the screw face song. But shut up go fire boy from your city crowd man. Shot bus feels like busy town. Yeah, him say I know cellular. Shot bus ears like busy town. Exit it back like true squeeze silicone Teflon for the club. And when you hear me say like busy town, a busy ma this. Like a busy town pan a phone. You see me? Shut up, go fire boy from your city crown, man, no cellular. Shot bus ears like busy town. Exit it back like true squeeze silicone. Teflon for the clown. Y'all want me pan the road, I'm in army's road. After me ninja kid can't draw his sword. And 90 man 90 with the vanish board. Ready for war, the camouflage army's clothes. That a infamish code. When informer got the Glock with the cartridge load. Shot bus cross the globe. Me gun with blasted blow. Don't I'm mad upon the lamp, I do the right fish clothes. You love talk beat off flip and tongue. J.O.P. we squeeze off flip and gun. You get a drive by like when car hit and run. Shot spin you like when Carmel mix and ton. Boom boom. No listen for the third Glock. Boom fire in a sky like it dep on a. Now him said brain in a sky like it dep on a bird back here. A nerd that full of tough word. Shot me said the ends that I mean said the ras word like. Shut up, go fire boy. Yes, what I say? But the first verse, when am this busy? Like him I say, um, me no land. Like him I say, boy, yeah, him start the verse. I say, boy, you fuck man. Don't watch my dark glass or my screw face. Me no land. Me no know if man have cool face. Shot fly through head, blood splash, pancake shoes. Like judgment, yeah, have rifle in a suitcase. Second, them call me name first. Them call excitement. Worse, the intro text strike them second. Yes, trigger press strike them. Copper your chest like them. The land over Renaissance footstep. Hype them. Them mute hype we are busy and super hype. Full up of them blood clotted with a scooter bike park and the shooter snipe. Ends be bloody and mucky like a part house with a group. Like a slaughter house with a group. I just want to see what happened. With hands over Wellington. Which gun you are? The AK for skeleton. Force the Muslim just send him. Let him shout out. Why me Lord? Busy. Elian. Shut up, go fire boy from your city crowd, man. No silly. You see me? Yo, that's some bad thing there, you know. And guess what? When you start off that song there, I say, like him, I say, him say, you want boss? I do boss like a jellyfish boss, you have a rifle. Yeah, him start off the song and say, you want boss? Cause you busy getting boss. You doing it now? You want boss? You do boss like a jellyfish boss, you have a rifle. Your head swelly boss. No, now if you roll with elephant boss, a straight red up play and tell us. You get me? And I guess I'm going on the boy, you fuck man. No what me dark glass on my screw face. So busy that roll with Ellie them time there. Probably tour and them thing them. Always a move with Ellie, you see me? Yeah, so doing ya make him lyrics them precise to make him know. Say busy and see how name a call from back then. That's why busy they end up rushing with knife in our 07, a sting, with ratchet. You see what I say? Busy end up rushing with ratchet. But don't you stand up on him, don't you move. I'm busy not stab him. You see me? So at the end of the day, once I do want to start vice with a genius and certain top producer, oh 05, late oh 05, and then oh 06, most of them oh 05 songs they come out early oh 06, like the song where I talk about reload, full clip beat it up, reload, make it squeeze off, you know what I mean? And one of them big gun song them were doing they do where make most of the ghetto people them know him now in a oh 05 was the song where I do about what go again? You know me when me aim call the target clock. Boom! That's how hard it clap. Sound like thunder when the lord it clap. Boy we head big and broad it. Drop neck pop like when guitar card it pop. On the crime scene, woman shout out Jesus Christ. All this hard get shot. Me no smoke craving here. Them call it cat drive by shooting from the starlet. Stop shot fly boss in the knife. Charlotte hot. Bring flash out. Bomb all it rock. J.O.P. and the hardest. Struck me 9x19 and the broadest. Clock shot capote. And y'all on cardless. Trap and clip enough like when you harvest scrap. Any will revise it all. Shot unknown like a private call. So in the street bad man shot unknown. Gunshot flying from chrome. With a rise it tall. Shot unknown like a private call. So in the street, bad man shot unknown. I know it's Aidonia. When it comes to guns, we have sponsorizing. Shot to the med, the sponsorizing. To the sponsorizing. We laugh the tree star, the knife assass him. Anywhere we see them, hold sugar like breast and squeeze them. And he must say, like, y'all love here. Rodney Price, I try sing. You see me? So the one that have some mad style. That song that was the song where make most of the ghetto them know him. Because the rhythm with Depan did very popular, big. You see me? I think I the same rhythm Junior Gang Depan where Junior Gang I say, Christ fed the multitude with only one love for birth. No, I know that. No, scratch that. No, a different thing there. Different rhythm. A genius rhythm that. And then Donia Cartel got do the remix with Donia Panda song. No, the Kingfish. Yes, Cartel got give Donia strength. See it? Alright. You never seen a dancehall artist, no hardcore dancehall artist. Now go see a next young dancehall hardcore artist with bad. Yeah, my people, you don't know a mad thing. So, as me I say, you see me? You listen carefully. You will never see a big artist a reach out and a help a next younger artist who is making waves on the come up, right? Especially when that young artist who is making his way coming up, getting attention and you know, exposure, like a big artist, you're not gonna see a big artist a help and a reach out to a younger artist who pose a threat to the big artist. Vibes Cartel are the uncle one will do that. And Bounty. Was in? Remember, when Vibes Cartel boss, I am known as the lyrical genius, Seeing? And so when Aidonia did a forward, Aidonia know says only competition would have be Cartel. Cause nobody never lyrical like Cartel. Seeing? If you did have anybody with lyrical like Cartel, I would have some young artists where nobody not who know yet. But in the music business, a Cartel was the only lyrical genius. Nobody never lyrical like him. Right? But him inspire enough artists to try to become lyrical. See? Aidonia at that point was very lyrical. So Aidonia know within himself say Vibes Cartel would either be a big competition for him or them would be friends. I'm sure Aidonia did expect the both of them, points there before him did end up get the exposure where him needed. You know what I mean? Because yeah, man. So the fact the Vibes Cartel reach out and help Aidonia and bring him in at the Blood North Alliance and bring him to Bounty. Zane, no big artist now gonna do that. Zane, remember, Aidonia have the gun sang them lock, everything lock. The girl sang them lock. Even though him first girl song with the people them accept is a girl song send him go corporate. You see me mainstream. The song we him do. We must say, Yale wale man, kaya uku good ya uku wan ya uku tight. Yale uku bit ya uku wan ya uku right. You see me? Yeah, that song there. And in order for Donia did find a song there, the producer them, because enough people they love Idonia. The producer them take time out, special time out, them take a try to make Donia find something concrete that can send him, you know, on the upper level. Because all we do from 2004 never concreted. Yes, him did have some radio friendly song where enough people did like in a '05, but he never find it. And the big producer them, the major producer them, where every big artist want to link with, and them producer they a try with doing you say, come on, we need you to find the song for make society accept you. Give me a second, everybody like him, but him just never find the big song. So you feel left out. You see me I say? Because the bigger artists is, the more special treatment them get at certain events and around certain people. So you want to make your name up there too by finding the big song them. So with the producer them who rate doing you take special time out for him, help him for find a big song. And that when him find the Okobit song with that send him go mainstream now. That's how the producer them can left him on him own, you see me? But Cartel bless him up. Zine, and then guess what? Enough people are gonna say, yo, Vibes Cartel only help him because Vibes Cartel did free him and never want to challenge him. So that's why Cartel help him. Cause Cartel no same with a boss. That's how the haters them a say, Zine. But watch you know, if Vibes Cartel never did help Aidonia, you know what them would have say? Them would have say, yo, Cartel free that Donia, that's why I must stay far from Donia and make sure him not help him, See me? But Cartel did what? Cartel did the right thing. Cartel did what God would have want everyone out to do, which is to help each and every one. You get me I say? And Cartel reach out and help him. From you do the right thing, no matter what people gonna say, you ain't not the right. You see me? So I may tell you more time you can't please people no matter what you do. You see me? So Donny and Cartel a par and thick and thin. And then watch I'm gonna show you how Donny make himself a mockery. Zine, because what Donia claim to say when Cartel start par with him, Donia say Cartel they call him phone them time, they call him out time yard and half time ends for do road with him, Zine. But what I'll show you say Cartel are the man. Alright. So the two of them are give us some bad song. I wish them days they would have come back. Two of them are collab. And say them song they have the most lyrics. Them collab flooded with lyrics. Bad man, bust the gun them crab it. Bad man lock it and load and slam it. Pebbles dish at them from it, yeah, head shot from it, yeah. You get me I say? Bad man, make the gun them bust out. In a boy head shot, chuck in beer, chuck out, rifle shot, pluck out, tongue and teeth, broke out, where God knows a big like gal all way. You see me I say? So the two of them just a do some collab with beer lyrics and people are go crazy. You see me? Them time them over one side with busy, them are going with beer thing too and thing, but with Aidonia and Cartel now, they must sting up the place. So when them last collab was we laugh and shot them, no run, we walk past and shot them, right? And Cartel kill Donia upon them verse there. Because when Donia got talk about drive up, pull up, sitting on the Vicks, roll out the 450 on the seat, informer talking on them, lipping on them beat. When bullet buck, remember sleeping on the beat. Yeah, bullet I move like it, whipping on the beat. You know me to drink about it. It's just a one straight flow there. You get me I say? For 16 bar, one straight flow. And as I tell you, variety is the spice of life. So when teacher go in a theme verse and say, teacher, bust out with laughter, rise up the cake, gotcha, promote it after. In a human, in get let go, not take. Then me kill myself. I joke me, I make. With ratchet rifle on it. You know, more energy. Cartel take the song. Zine? So now watch this. Remember, it was so hard for Aidonia. It take almost 2 years for Aidonia cracking out the business before him find that commercial song where the whole heap of producer help him for find, and have to sit him down and thing. So me I say, I'm style it rugged. Them want him for kind of smooth and polish down the thing. You get me I say? So the fact say I don't want to take like 2 years for settle and find him niche in the business for can be looked at as a big artist now, right? When as me telling you, busy take one go and do it. See? But that no make busy a better artist. That's why I have to wonder if I luck or what how busy find them bad song they forget. It make it harder for Donia get attention from the people. You see what I say? 'Cause every time the people hear about Donia, them hear say, "Ah, brother, him a try kill busy, and him a kiss them teeth." I say, then me not gonna listen to him then. Cause if him want this busy and him not reach nowhere, me not, a them type of reaction that I don't want name a get and respond from the people. Them. You see what I say? So, boops now and them go so Zine and Cartel and Movado Cartel and I don't want to go fall out. Zine, them go fall out because, you know, um, as I don't want to say in the video, say, his mother sit him down and tell him, say, too much negativity and, she motivate him and kind of convince him to stay away from cartel. And him listen to him mother like a good little boy and make sure say him end the relationship, the friendship or whatever with cartel, you see me? So from this on now the first song we're doing I gotta do now and I'm gonna do a song about me nah laugh. Cause through the last collab him and Cartel though was we laugh and shot them. So now him a send message say him nah laugh with Cartel. You see what I say? So right this now how me did feel but I said, Bumbo Clark, I did love how Cartel reach out and help him. Cause my two favorite artists, them. Zin, cause me tell you son, Aidonia come out in the 2004. I him a get most of the attention from me. You get me? I say, cause I want to see him up there. Cause him did bad. So, when I finally see him up there with Cartel now, it was like the best time of my life. Cause of that I wanted all along for Donia. And then now them go fall out. So, some vibes kinda, crack. So then it's like me reach at a crossroad now. And see cartel go so and see the one you go so And I say, boy, stand up in the middle and I say, what me I gonna do now? Alright. So watch what go on now. When me stand up in the middle, I see cartel over here, so I go on with him thing. I see Donia over here, so I go on with him thing. Then now as I tell you about the picture where them did go take with the whole heap of rifle them and thing. Then after them come off of the I don't know if it was a tour them go on or if it was just a vacation or just a simple little travel where they make. And then come back after that little travel, them end up separated. And at them time they do want a mother give him the sit down. And I say, yo, him naming not too much negativity around cartel and. So therefore, remember, a badness and them thing that cartel and mother of them a sing about and that them a go on with. Cause my mom tell you I be a fight go on a sting and busy rushing with the ratchet and I be a badness when I go on. A man approve badness from who I show badness and thing. So me I show you Vibes Cartel come out as the victor in the badness. Cause remember I tell you too, I don't need have the tough face and the bad boy look. So him was a real challenge for cartel, and the people them want a gangster. That was them time there. If you're not a gangster, you're not in a dancehall as a DJ. And some people wanted gangster youth. You get what me I say? So Vibes Cartel destroy thing the Aidonia character where people have Aidonia as this gangster youth was when him them amongst cartel. And then hero people start lose off Aidonia now. Cause alright, so when them part ways in Remember, Aidonia did feel like say a cartel need him, And Aidonia claims say cartel I call him every morning for come par and do road and beer things, in because I can't to Donia him say cartel need for him strength. So when cartel goes a boom and separate from Donia now, cartel go reinvent one thing where the freaky girl them freaky girl them y'all let me love Zane and some bad thing. And then remember, Aidonia now I start show some shade like Aidonia say me no want no freaky girl, I want to get my cock suck. You know what I mean? So don't you try keep it straight and stay away from the freakiness. You see, while cartel, I feed the girl them the freaky song them. You see what I say? And I bust the girl them. And I go on with dating. Is right? And watch this. Aidonia. Aidonia left from that straight thing that we him did a push, right? Until now we see Aidonia sing a much freaky song. I say more girl for clean him rifle. Right? So we see say you know stand upon your word, you know stand upon business, I do ya. Zine, because they did I say, oh them boy there, a freak out the girl them and we not do them thing there and we not do them thing there until we see I do ya start do them thing there. I sing about getting him cock suck as well. Zine, and him there lick out pan them thing there. Zine, now a next thing. I do there lick out pan cartel I say, oh them boy there sing and Ray Ray and him boy there him for DJ. Him must sing like him, you're not singer, DJ for DJ. And we see now me or even Donia say nah sing them time there until me see Donia start the song I sing in a 2015, 2014 so right? And I them think they hold back Donia career because when him fear flow with emotion, him end up a dwelling in ignorance and no one work with what the people him crave for. Zane, him remain ignorant and I say, oh, man, I do a cartel I do. And the rest of artists them we are do a cartel I do. As in the singing thing, we're not about the bleaching, but the singing thing, and change up your thing. You see what I say? We say I don't need to make some changes to the music, but it was same flat line sound, dry, you know what I mean? No melody and things. So them thing that slow him up. And I slow up Massacre too, because Massacre they are DJ with the same dry DJ flow there for a long period of time until Massacre start changing vocals, work on him vocals, and even sing. You see me? So the better your artistry is, the better the result for you from the fans them, especially them time there. So we see where I do and go back on him word there so too. And if a follow cartel sing. Zine, cause him did I say, oh, them boy they are sing, and we not follow them and sing. And so I show you say, me watch I don't make all of the wrong choices them. So I suck on me, did have to just swing with Addy when me there at the crossroad. And I say, yo, that better I do when me did rate so much. Be a fuck him do him sound bad mind and whatever. You get what me I say? So I go so boom and drift with cartel. Man will have to be able to sing somewhat to get into dancehall right now. Yeah, what the problem? Even if he's DJing. Because like most of the youths, they don't know the roots, They don't know where to come from. Yeah. And how would you describe your music? Sing J DJ? Sing J. Sing J. Yeah. It seems to me, Aidonia, that everybody now is Sing J. Mm-hmm. What happened to the first time DJ them who could just DJ? It's like a man will have to be able to sing somewhat to get into dancehall right now. Yeah, what the problem? Even if he's DJing. Because like most of the youths, they don't know the roots, They don't know where to come from. From the Shabba Ranks and from the Ninja Man and Super Cat. What about people who are DJ with melody? Yes. So most people from them hear melody, them feel they have to sing and don't. Okay. So that's why everybody try to sing because they know melody catch people easy. But them for know how to DJ in a melody like Bunty them and Bojo them and the greats over the years, so they need to take it back to the roots. YouTube, if you know, everybody have internet, so YouTube and listen and swear to come from. And swear where the root is. All right, I don't. Yeah, a brand new video you have for us, which we're going to throw to right now and take a look at it before we talk some more. Let's go. Mad. So take to them girl easy. Like A. Says, you see that? Huh? Take with them y'all card in the other man from the my queen. One more girl, brand new one from Aidonia. I hope he can keep her though. Yeah, I hope he can keep her. That song they did bad. That song they bring back Aidonia in 2011. Cause Aidonia did dead, me I tell you, dead from oh oh 08. I'm gonna tell you the last big song them with Duania do was oh 08. Okay? Him did have the girl song. Because you see through through Cartel did have one song. Cartel did have a song when he bubbler, you know. You see me? My girl, you a champion bubbler. You a champion bubbler. Bubbler, bubbler, bubbler. My girl, you a bubbler, bubbler, bubbler. Yo, yes, when Cartel do that girl song there, it stick. When I say girl just a bubble and I get trouble. No joke. And then do when you go do a bubbler song too in about oh 08. You see me doing I go do a bubbler song that and that's why me a show you say Cartel and Movado kept on competing and throwing words at one another because even after them last collab them do the what the collab name Laugh and Shot them the last collab them do Aidonia go run go do a song after them separate and go you know what the song name nah laugh you see me we doing I say me nah laugh and one bag of thing I show him just do the song with Cartel and I say we laugh and shot them run we walk past and shot them and then him and Cartel go fall out see so the facts of them fall out I do when I say, you know what, the first song me I go sing of is a this subliminal to Cartel. And what the best way for send a subliminal to Cartel after you and him just do a friendly song and say, we laugh and shot them. No must we not laugh now. Cause now do when you get serious. You get what I say? And say, yo, him not laugh. We have to go look for that song there. You see me? Don't mix it up with Big Matic now laugh, you know. Don't mix them up. Two different songs, you see me? Yeah. So yeah, cause the one you gonna do the song about we not laugh and one bag of thing in my chat. And then Cartel always a true shades back at him. And that's what the thing, you know. Yo, Vibes Cartel. Meanwhile, Cartel a war Movado, you know. Vibes Cartel and Assassin did a war simultaneously, you know. Vibes Cartel and Aidonia that war simultaneously, you know. That's why I not understand if I was a cartel, man. When them see cartel I put out be a tune, them things that the man just a put out be a tune just so all of them have a purpose and they were aimed directly at a certain artist individually. See? So when Cartel do the song say we no afraid of nobody, that was also aimed at Donia for no found no know. Cause people that say Cartel afraid of Donia through them beliefs say I just move out the Cartel they focus on. Zin? But when Vibes Cartel say we no afraid of nobody, no afraid of nobody, we no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. Never scared, never scared, never scared, never scared, never. No, when me born alone. Me rock wild, no shot a bone. Yeah, the man have some style. Me no left my mongrel dog a yard. If I war you a defend, go on back home. Yeah, if a warrior defend on go on back home. Cause grave from flank and no take talk. So go and flip up like Clara phone. Ring. And a farmer use can alone. Shot brick shoes like Carl Malone. White Nike, we know. Yo, the cartel find some bad style there when him done with the drawing board from in a whole seven, brother. I tell you. The man can do a gun song and it sell off. The man gun song I go corporate. When me say cartel gun song them I go corporate. Cause you hear him style song, he must say we not afraid of nobody. And you can't ban that kind of expletive, none of that. And the man a say, I no farmer use can alone. Cause we all know say when you say can, we are talk. You see me I say? And when cartel say iron dog a bark, no joke. You see me? We no left for mongrel dog. Cartel Cartel spin up some more. I first Jamaican audience I hear all them talk, you know. No, them talk the day in the street still amongst gangsters, But Cartel bring them thing there in the studio for it reach the wider world of audience. You see me? Big up Adi the teacher. So mad thing, man. Mad thing.
All right, so I don't know. That's what you're going into the season with. Yeah. That's a track that will be blazing, no doubt, for this last quarter of 2011. True. Saying, where are you with that though? Are you a part of the Sting Clash crowd? No, no clash. No clash here. Yeah, but you be on Sting though. Definitely. Yes. As I say, yeah, 'cause you know I go work for the people in Portmore and the whole of Jamaica. Mm-hmm. You see it, so I gotta just go for perform to the people, See, right now we kind of want to cool off for the clash thing. We're dealing career and building that, and that's the focus. And we might see. You will. We will definitely see Navino on that taking that's your first touch of Sting with it. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll be looking forward to that. And but before that, you'll be at GTA Extravaganza. Yeah. Down by the Central Spend. Oh yes. Mm-hmm. Them are weird pound boy. That show like a big GT show. But when Bridging, we can only hope that your JOP will work and that you've exposed a different route and you've learned some lessons. So we hope that it will be here to stay. Definitely. And it will grow into what it can really become. Because dancehall has the potential. I hate to sound like I'm preaching, but dancehall always has the potential to be as big as hip hop. True. And it's for you, the newcomers, the youth, the young people like you, my friend, to take it there. But first, you must know how to stay out of trouble, first and foremost. Because without a visa right now, you can't earn money in music. So stay out of trouble and prepare and believe that you can take the music this and that's all it takes. Stay away out of the little distraction around here. Brethren, Mark good answer. Thanks. Great video. I look forward to the hype and the vibe from it. This last quarter of 2011. Well, here you have it, our very special guest in this segment, Aidonia from JOP. Remember that name, JOP. Mm-hmm. I think we'll be hearing a lot about that in the future. Winford Williams, on behalf of all of us, thanking you for joining us. Do join us again next week for more On Stage.
Like when them girl call me a the dandan or bike me a dealing with the girl artist thing in the land, them have to give me a medal. Two brown girl see me on a plan. Say she want to fling it on the down, drop it like a bad habit and spin it like a fan. Love it when the girl them have to grip in the glam or act like the rhymes I'm singing on my song. Independent, sweet girl, nigga like a rap. Oh, be a hot girl chilling on the sun. First thing, girl, you know you're picking off it long. Second thing, you're sexy when you're fitting on your tongue. Click on me strong. Girl, I smell the next city, is it on me strong? She said, without you living on the young. And all of the girl them, all of the girl them, all of the girl them, I come around. Hey, girl, your body been ready to touch you now. Girl, you skin tight, and me love you now. All of the girl them, all of the girl them, all of the girl them, I come around. JOP like the summer sun. JOP act like the summer sun. Damn, she was like, who is these tuggers? Busting these Louis V uppers. Them up like rubbers. Yes, the man said. Yeah, mad thing, man. Mad thing. Is it? Yeah, my people, a mad thing, Watch, Look, You see, right, so when Aidonia and Vibes Cartel stop far. You see me? So when them friendship mash up. See? So say this are after 2007 Sting. When Cartel and Donia them dep on stage and them did mash up Sting in a '07 together. Get what I say? And then what if I think they'd go on even a Sting? Because the one busy try run up on Aidonia with Ratchet. But I don't know what jump in a busy head. Make it feel like say him could have run up on stage with Ratchet for Rush Donia. See? Busy knows him could do that to Cartel, cause remember Cartel and Donia apart, But here we go now, Cartel did left Sting the man in there before Aidonia. You see me? I don't know if other engagement Cartel did have make him left. But he end up left before Aidonia. I remember Donia carry film friend them with him. You know, a whole heap of people Donia always did have a chat with it, you know, because Donia pattern Vibes Cartel style, you know. But Donia never really give Vibes Cartel the ratings there or admit it. Because when Donia get him boss, a bounty killer him give him props. And say, yo, me's a bounty fan and a bounty me there watching a 93 a sting and from this so. You see me? So this now where Donia give details to about the falling out with him and Cartel. Because after them did those thing together, Zin, I go against the alliance and all of the naysayers and haters, you see me? Then everything good now 07. But then here comes 08 where Vibes Cartel and Vibes Cartel they go on some Caribbean flights and you know them they go Colombia because Movado sang the bigger Colombia, you know, amongst the drugsman them. Cause I remember a video did come out with be a drugsman Colombia. You know them man they were quick for chop off your head and all their hand them and foot them type of Colombian there. The Colombian them did release a video. I sing Movado song. The Colombian them, you know, you can see them in the blood cocoa leaf, you know, the cocoa feel, you know. Cause you know say the cocoa them use make coke, you know. The man them they in the cocoa feel. And them have them hand round each other head so I sing Movado song. I say where them a do, where them a try, tomorrow will fly into the sky. That the Colombian them there sing I'm a loop and dance all different. I say bomba class, so them real killers they love our music. Zin? I'm say nah man. And that even make me have to look for Movado different. But guess what? I don't know if I see Cartel see the video, you know, brother. Why you know? Zin? But me feel like say a true. You know, Movado and Cartel always a clash. I feel say you have some other Colombian and you know, like Ecuador, the people them from Ecuador, some of them type of people them see Cartel with, you know, and doing a big rifle now after the Movado Colombian them show up. You see me? A Cartel and doing that. They must say Ecuador or they must go Colombia too. Or probably one next small island with be a blood north Honduras looking man them with be a tall rifle. I'll do only have one tall rifle at wall in the video. Cartel, you know, Cartel love them thing, you know. You see? Cartel live for them thing that them time there, you know. You see me? So when the picture go come out with Cartel and Aidonia, them are wall rifle with beer killers and some executioners. See, them they getting a problem feet out here in Jamaica and over in some other country that did go on, you know. See? So as soon as them come here, I don't know if a Bruce Golden or whosoever was the leader at the time, you know, 08, so draft up thing there. Wonder for 08, no, it wasn't 08, you know. Cartel, they got jail 08, 2008, you know, them the whole on Cartel and let him out for some fest. You know, 08. Alright? So I guess probably about 2010. Probably about 2010 when Cartel them did get in a trouble with Aidonia. No, what may I say? No. Year wide have to be in a 08. Sometime around 2008, 2007, so. Probably 2008, 2009, so. When Cartel fall out. Them fall out, all I remember is that them fall out little after them do them last collab. Where Cartel and Donia do the song about um we laugh and shot them, no run, we walk past and shot them, gun pop off and shot them, they cough and shot them, look like say shark attack them. We laugh and shot them, shot in as the most of from accident, that lock off man, accident sharp like back them, the body parts them, rat them, drive up, pull up, sitting at the Veeks, rub and drive, fishing at the seat, informer talking at them, lipping at them leak, when we buck them up, bullet clip them on them beak, yeah, bullet a move like it's keeping on the beat, you know? Yo, from him started, he must chop something, you know, cause I must say 45, you know, the passenger seat, sitting on the seat, and, you know, but I do only work with a 3-syllable rhyme, the same 3-syllable rhyme for 16 bars, 16 line, see? But Vibes Cartel come change up theme bar and more excitement to Cartel verse. And Cartel say, teacher, boss out with laughter, rise up the cake, gunshot, promote it after. In a him and him galed, me open a tech, them kill myself, a joke me a make, with ratchet and rifle and yeah, step, kappa, yeah. Cartel are the maddest thing, dog, maddest. And them said, Donia, lyrical than the man. You mad? You see me? That's all people have to say, yo, you know, see Cartel say him kill himself on the track, so him for do better. Like, the man not have no fun on the music. You see? People feel like, people understand some music supposed to be fun too, you know. You see it? Alright. Come see all the interview with Cranium. And enough of the dancehall artists, them who thinks of them smart and thinks of them brilliant and feel like them can study music. Music is not something where you can really study, you know, brother. I tell you, if you try to study it, you fail. You see me? And the reason why Cartel win in the music thing, because he was just having fun. You see, you have to just have fun with the music thing. Don't feel like say you can study it. Because that me see some of these artists who feel like say them sensible. Me see Cranium in an interview I talk about. And the Sunday song them, like the Berry Salmon them, like rock away. Those were the days. So Cranium I try find a Sunday song there for people. You know what I mean? And I try find the Friday evening song, brother. Don't take music so complicated, bad man. You get me I say? Music not so complicated. Music, I just feel out and enjoy yourself making them. Any sound, any vibes you get from searching or composing a song, any vibes that you get that you love and you feel like say, yeah, this is a hit. Work with it. And not because you feel like it's a hit, that don't mean say it must hit. You know? Even though for some people, for them hit song are songs where them continue to do, where them never have no vibes with them. Just say, show me I go continue that song. But at least that is the specialty about it. Why would you continue to make something if you know say it not good, you don't feel nothing good about it? That is because there is something good about it where you never aware of. You get me? But subconsciously, your subconscious mind know say you have to finish this. See? Because you have the subconscious and the conscious. So I could play this and show what was Aidonia reason for stop parring with Vibes Cartel. See? Area.
So what made you want to desert Cartel?
Loyalty, negativity.
Round Cartel?
Round Cartel, round the whole thing, you see me I say. So we just go and looking at ourselves. Mama say youth. We don't like how the thing looking at Mama Christian, you see me I say. And she sit me down and say, you know, so I don't like how the thing look and me I see it for myself.
Your
say,
mom?
alright then. Mom.
Okay.
You see me I say, so we just say, alright then, you know what? Move on, because too much negativity and he's a brother when I look out for nobody but himself. So it wasn't healthy for my personal life and for being an artist around him. See it straight.
So it caused animosity between both of you.
Well,
didn't
definitely.
it? And it seemed like there is still a feud going on between your JOP and Cartel's empire. Well, what's left of it. How do you feel about his predicament at the moment?
Well, seriously, no matter say we and Cartel and a friend, we don't wish bad for nobody.
Yes.
You get the message I say, and he's a youth to even pray for.
So what made you want to desert Cartel?
Loyalty, negativity.
So how many people in the camp?
Well, Navino, Diablo, Showtime, Bronx, who me left out, Aidonia, Size 10. You see, them they're the artists, otherwise my brother, my family, them and thing, you see, that's enough of it.
All right. Some describe your move from Alliance to Empire and now your own as betrayal and maybe desertion and betrayal. That's something that they're saying is in your blood. Now with your first son right here, aren't you somewhat scared that maybe the same thing might
No, a loyalty to me still, you know. You see me I say, and you know, respect Bounty Killer to the fullest.
You still respect the
Bounty
killer?
the real general, you can look out for the song, a new song of me and him gonna do, you see it?
Okay.
Can look out for that, one general, you know.
So the war is over between you and you're going back to Grandpa.
There wasn't a war with me and Bounty.
Yes.
You get the message, man.
The song we must say him and Bounty that do at the time we're out for drop, you know, because this is 2011. But they in a studio when that voice and a mix, you know. You see me? Yeah, come they there have Aidonia studio there. Aidonia run well left, you see me? Up Gore Terrace, on Wetcombe Drive. You see me? Yeah, two road meet each other. So you have a crossover on bridge. Where Aidonia used to live on Wetcombe back, then come pot. Pussy, gal, welcome, yeah. Myers Drive, frequent flyers drive, AK screw off head, just call it pliers drive. 4 Road, Grandspen Road, Chartwood Road, Oven, shot Rob Silla, Muscular Rupin, Magalene, Linda Magalene, shot them right, them up in a brother man, yeah? Yo, I tell you, them time they're the uptown, uptown. We lock uptown Nike, uptown guns, fuck round, do not fuck round. We are uptown. They tough man. Yo, I was a crazy Aidonia fan, you know, but me I tell you say when Missy said Aidonia him feel come right up to 2008. So that's why me say, yo, yeah, hear me? Just cartel alone, me say word if praise, you know. You see me I say? The rest of them, when you find an artist where seems like, yeah, you know, like how me find Skeng as one of the latest and the most newest greatest young potentially rounded artist when my sis King I reach very far. You see me? Far, far, far. You see me? I don't know if I reach far like Cartel, but over the years I've been paying attention. So any artist when me pick when me say, oh, that artist there. Yeah. Believe me, I say Skeng from before him get him first big song. Believe me. Cause just some little clippings that Skeng did have first with him a perform at some little party. And you see me? We make the car sing brrp, brrp. And that video then go viral. And be a girl a laugh and say, oh, what kind of song that? But them they love it, you know. I love the little man too, you know, when they must see Skeng. You see me? You want big up Skeng. And the baddest thing that's right now from ever since. You see me? Yeah, Skeng and Skilly Bang are the last two general them that in a dancehall. May I tell you? No joke. You see me? Roger Wild look like him have something about him too, you know. But him name make me just never to pay much attention. Cause name help for me pay attention to, you know. You see me? Come see a man named Skeng. See a man named Skilly Bang. And then Skilly Bang first song was a major hit. You did have to pay attention. You see me I say? Yeah man. That's how the thing go.
I say, yeah, me that face every evening, take on a war with Bounty Killer. You see me, I say, you know,
Okay.
say,
Yeah, my people, yo, me have to stop it, cause guess what go on. You see him talk as if him loyal to Bounty, and you need to understand, say, after Cartel did carry Aidonia to the alliance, and Bounty accept him with open arms. Zin? Then guess what go on now? Blur it out when Cartel have to lift up from the alliance, Zin? Through the ball beanie man thing. Aidonia lift up with Cartel too. Zin? So you know say I'm turning back on Bunty who I don't always say I'm favorite artist and him always say Bunty inspire him. Right? So I don't turn him back. Pam blood not Bunty. Zine? And then when him turn him back from Bunty, him go move with Cartel. And then now when him and Cartel mash up, Zine? And Cartel both forgot prison. Or Cartel he get locked up. Maybe. When Bounty Killer and Aidonia had decided to mend their differences, right? And Bounty still went ahead and spared no second by giving Aidonia him next collab. Because Aidonia did secure a collab from Bounty from when he was in the alliance. You see me? Yeah. Oh, from them this we no want know how. Yo, go on for the gun them now. Squeeze up the rifle so. Eagle fly down like a drunk crow. You see me I say? The one that make me proud them time there, cause me been a tell people about him. And for finally see him up there with the top general, them and a write song for them and a collab with them. And that was '05, you know. But then now in a 2012, 2011, after, when Aidonia and Bounty decide to mend them differences, Bounty give back Aidonia a collab. Zine? And then Aidonia go shit pan Bounty. Because when them a do the collab, I don't go mention in the collab the same song we him do with Bounty, but him are the baddest bumbo clap man in that song, yeah, right? That is obviously a style into Bounty. And the song they dry too, I never really like it, but that what Donia did say, did kind of have a vibes. It give me and my bridging them something to talk about and the people them in the studio. Cause even when you go Russian and Genius and the biggest of studio them, the man them a pre them part there. And I laugh and I say, you know, she say, I don't know style killer. And say him are the big, him are the baddest bumbo clap man in that song, yeah. You get me? I say, go listen to that song then in Mach 90. A clap the Mach 90. Bossy Mach 90. It is boring. Like on them time they too I don't want to try prove himself better than Cartel. So me I say? Because him and Bunty are link up back now after, you know, the whole long years of turmoil. And Bunty did that for good for forgive Aidonia. After all of the problem for them stir up and pan sting and you know what I mean, whole heap of trading at this and all of that. You see me I say? But I don't want to always try have respect for Killer even despite throughout the beef, you know. But why act as if you respect the man and then when the man give you a chance now for collab and for men on a difference and farm peace, you gonna make song but yeah, the baddest bumbo clap man another singer. Cause you choose clout over respect, don't you? Give me I say that's why sometimes you have to look deeper than what them allow for show up on the surface. So Donia did come in like a two-mouth thing there to me. You see me? Cause first him say him not sing and some boy where sing with Cartel. For start
A
sing
bounty me
like a
look up to and say,
DJ.
alright then.
You get what me I say?
I don't want to be like Dabber
Him
like
But
start
them.
you
sing
You see me
disappoint,
say?
you
Adonia start
disappointed
sing
him when
I'm
you
not
him have
disappointed, you know. It's a phone
IG girl song with him though and couple other song with him singing a whole vocal.
getting as me say
You get
years
what me I
ago, you
say?
know. I say years no
Notes and
longer a
them
member.
thing
So
there.
it wasn't like
Aerial
me
and all
get
of
up
them thing there.
Okay.
and leave the
So do
alliance.
when
A
you
phone call me
convert to
get.
singing, but
Because Addy
him
was
may
their
not do it
daddy.
And
much.
I say
But
Addy
even
and
when him say,
Daddy. You
oh
see me I
yeah,
say?
oh yeah,
Some
oh
people
yeah,
just say I want
oh
party and
yeah,
thing
oh
and
yeah,
thing.
oh
You see
yeah.
me I say? Because at that time nothing
Singing,
never really have
sing,
one for Cartel, you know.
sing him
You
a
see me I say?
say.
So we get
See?
Cartel
And
straight.
then him
You
used
see
to
me I
say,
say? The Cartel call
you
me
know,
every
no
morning. I
freaky
say,
girl,
what
no
you
want
do
to get
today?
my
Where you
cocks
go
up,
today?
give me the pussy
You see
girl.
me I say?
That's
We
up,
give
that's
back
up.
that energy.
And right now, I be a freaky thing they must sing. In everyone I do when I sing them, him have some line I promote girl for perform fellatio oral and all these things. Like same thing when they fight out Cartel with. What I say? So I don't always I go back on him word. Zane. And then even when him go cock up him foot pan ER and say, oh, him a go run the place, cause Anthony Miller threw him the bait, you know, and him take it, you know. But Anthony Miller brave and bold, you know. Anthony Miller say, so you're supposed to can run the place now without having any excuse, like how Vibes Cartel is behind the bar, right? I do when I cock up him foot pan ER and say, yeah man, we're gonna do it. Yes man. Then Anthony Miller say, because the threat have been locked away now so you can get to do your thing without any hassle. I don't want to say, yes man, yes man, and take the bait. And then guess what? Guess what? After I'm getting little run with the collab with Diablo about, we run road. Guess who next came and took over the place? Alkaline. Alkaline. So we never live for Sidonia run the place. You see me? Even when Alkaline boss, and I find that song them, Zine, Vibes Cartel come around the place, same way. Zine, I do when you know him gone pan a slower flow where him should have do long time, but then it was too late for him. It was strike like lightning, we want him frightening. You know? Yo, so I don't know the delay, him just too late. Like him choose him take too long for start do what him supposed to do from a long time. Or else right now him would have up on top of the world. I sit down on it to isn't it at the very top like Addy isn't it? Vibes cartel of the world in him hand now. Isn't it?
You see it, how
Because
we
when
build
did I
that
do?
thing there.
Them
You
never
So
see
what
it?
want
made
him
you
for.
want to
So
desert Cartel?
yeah,
Loyalty,
that's the thing there.
negativity. You see me I say,
Round Cartel?
round Cartel, round the whole thing, you see me I say. So we just go and looking at ourselves. Mama say youth. We don't like how the thing looking at Mama and Christian, you see me I say.
Your own artist without much help from him.
Well, destiny, you know, nobody don't know what destiny you know, is about.
Yes.
You understand? We just do the music and look out for the best of it, though.
Same.
Yeah.
And how would you describe your music? Sing J DJ?
Sing J.
Sing J.
Yeah.
It seems to me, Aidonia, that everybody now is Sing J. What happened to the first time DJ them who could just DJ? It's like a man.
So I say, yeah, so may I show you something too. Oh, you know, I watch the performance, show you how Cartel a bigger artist with the whole of them. Bigger stage performance. See? Watch out.
And now, for your feature presentation. This is the moment I've been waiting for. The undisputed DJ, lyrics, paper to pen. Yo, let's welcome Adi, the teacher.
Future from Cartel.
What's the drums in there? Miguel, fish fry, 20.
Hold up. Yeah, bad man.
No fear.
Watch out. The man no step out yet, you know. The man step out there now.
Yo, big man thing.
Mad entry. Wet them up like a tsunami. I when the blood clot this. Them want the war with over them with the army. Bullet and spray them like Empire, copper shot and go fire. Mr. Palmer got the rifle, them was taller than palm tree. So me send for me army. Bullet and spray them like it's in Miyaki. Magician from the decoy scheme. Now come a flash blue suit and red team and khaki. A baby strength them on. Girl strength alone them on. The boy can make we run in pon them tonight. Will them feel alright? Them skin too tough to bleed. Muzzle up the gun in a make we step like a centipede and take the lead in a war where them feel like. Muzzle up the gun in a chance, make we step like a centipede and take the lead in a war. Maggie barrel has spin like a carry.
They go for themselves and them say no bands, you know. But you me I say, the woman thing.
Some boy fi know this. The teacher no back from no war. We get more shots than next team. That simple mean. Some boy fi know this. Say teacher no back from no. Hey. It no take me nothing for murder them the body a baby. Why them a pre me now go wait till them ready. Me have to them grease up.
We just run it out fast, you know.
Oh.
But that's what got them scared. If son I big up the whole click, you know. Live up.
The 50 caliber with the banana clip. I know run from a big bullet. If you see me, I come clear the corner kick. Mr. Palmer kick. Shot a score in the head like corner kick. Well, serious murderers. Roll with a name murder boss. You have never heard of us.
I'm going to take a sip of my vibes.
You're mad. Part of legendary.
Them no know Selassie.
The kingdom see. Now the seat of me now go. Boy, you wicked. The thing we are bring on the gun and fi done you free. Don't bring a body man argument to me, boy. Gangsta now go swim in a sea. Feed the fish in a the gully. Ya Antoinette and Stacy. Say your mouth coming like a stay free, boy. Stand now go swim in a sea. With the
Let me tell you this.
me no want know the gully god. Be a fishing on the gully and dog shit and dirty pad. But Jeffrey, I must be mad. Save the coffee god.
Me no go see it. Me smuggle. To press it on my tongue. Tivoli gun, no fire blank. Go back, go for your chest, see you.
What we bring up the done you free.
Next year. Right away there.
Yeah. And to the chasing it. This bad man get bullets in the head and chest. And the boy this silly get the paper, pray for the ball and chain. I know, I love Bella, bind all the while and kick off and I like it. I love Bella, yeah. I know, I love Bella, yeah. Don't chuck it up, squeeze it up, Bella. Yeah.
President,
Once we come them, whenever we lie. In the blood clot day or night, we feel like. Cause I don't know boy who I'm gonna run the whole of them. We don't need no permission. You don't need no boy to tell me. When fi bust me gun, where fi bust me gun, why fi bust me gun? Cause I'm my money by them.
next year. You have something to say?
Hear me now? Yo, Portmore, Waterford, Passage Fort, West Cumberland, Brayton, Nagoset, Newland, hear me now? Nola, West Kingston. Yo, Gano, President, them for know. Hear me, I say no? Stage of life, Empire. But them for know, say the whole of Gano, no man from Tipaliwa. Yeah.
It's a friend. You're a friend.
I'm worrying about the matches.
Never afraid of them. Never afraid of them. Never cheater, some me grow. Never got me low, some me grow. From now you never know. Ask it to a wrist board. But my scheme, when nobody man, we want this other mind. Love the pussy, but we never buy. We also hard, cause the papers have to write, tell the crack, yeah. But we not need no crack in no life, no. What way you walk, your goodly vanish, not in night. Head up the car like a tourist on a flight. No, them by accident, we bust in it, this fight. Oh, the fuck your pussy infrared and think of paper light. Mind your business, no fit, no ears, when by the spin like this. The gang started.
Yo, the gang started, they can't do them things. So boom. Yeah.
When the right away, we beat it like a slammer. When body's funded to feel good, when the right away, we beat it like a slammer. When body's funded to feel good.
Kingston, dog, we must knock up it. Last one is the link. Turn up it, yes, chop up like Chucky. And if you're not too good, don't hear me,
Lord, when I walk from war, baby, machine never empty. She never done it. Empty to nice collie. You will call out any collie. You could chat him, car, you could fat. No stuff him, cars, him love chat. You get one tamla. One shot. When the silly, when the pain. When the right forever, we beat it like a slaver. When body's hungry to feel good, we say, yeah.
The right forever, we beat it like a slaver. When body's hungry to feel good.
More. Pull up. Who am I that we didn't know?
Yes, I'm my place, your place, and your place. Coming on, me no carry in a race. No long chat, gal alone chase. Box full in a boy face. Mama ball, oh, me see her son. Lay down, ball fucking young. Ah, they are all on a tumble down. Them have gun, but them are no gun man. Them should have never say, we are scared spray. The 6 pounds. Them are coming them tiny. Mama boy, in the middle. Them. Drive like we say. This two not like number passing card. Beautiful card. Two damn hard. Have to go back to Scotland Yard. Not a water. We not kick and shit coming on there, we not LS, punch a wheels, kick off wheels. This is fans of where the man go with them tiny cake. Murder boy, the big daddy. Yeah, fella, swear. Cartel of God.
Alright. Pull up. Some for the girl then. Play the next song. Play I'm gonna fuck on this. Play the next song. No! Do it after that. Every girl want fuck with. Broke it and broke it. Girl want fuck with. Every girl don't tap. Fuck with. Every girl want. Hey, Rhino! You are starting!
Yeah. I wish I get you up with me and
Reebok. Run foot no girl. You run foot no girl. Run foot no girl. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross.
You want wife on your yard. You don't think I'm on the one. Tell you want wife on your yard. Angela, where you about to open your from? Let me tell you something.
Hey, one more girl. I thought you were going to one more girl.
Next shot. Right now, shot a new song on DJ. You go back there, no. Hear them? Oh, this. Left.
You hear him tell right now for chat a new song. Cause them song what them gonna do now never released to the world yet. A test, cartel a test this. But even though we know that them big song here now, at this time it never did release yet. Each of them single.
Level. Pull it up, man. Pull it up, man. Shut a new song. Hold on. Yo, stop. Hold on. Yo, right now, hold on. Big up the world champion in action. Promotion. Big up the people that come support the team. Born rumor monger, bad mind people. Big up the president. Do what you do. Yo. Let me see the end of the hustler them. Boom.
I tell them that for burn out the rumor thing, they can be a rumor them. Yeah, people, a be a rumor them spread about cartel them time, you know. Same tongue, boy, him tattoo, Jeffrey, I name, all type of thing. Be a fight alliance. yo, yo, them time they a bounty I make up the worst thing. And when people believe too, you know. Cause people believe anything when Bunty say. Cause when Bunty go on stage, you know, I say, no boy there, what that one like six, and the voice and do that, and yo, people believe. So, cause they never tell them, say, oh, don't believe the rumor monger them. So we could hear the song them, but them never release. But watch out now.
Boom, no matter what you do. As long as you put the paper in your pocket and you not fuck party, you not suck, no. Alright, drop that rhythm there. Alright, no. Them friend know say alright, no. Teach how many dollars are earned.
And this will return.
Wow, we tell them how real we know. When we touch a road and I see the nerve. When them how real we know. And then we left in a world where you can breathe in now. Boy, tell them how real we know. When we touch a road and I see the nerve. When them how real we know. And then we left in a world where you can breathe in now. Yeah, what? Just for a piece of bread. Then we can pick up and let you win a piece of head. No word now.
Running on the system.
That's why you find so much Monday in a Lisa bed.
One day for Lisa, that was meant for. Cause from them time, them used to pre it, you know. You see me? Lisa Ive. Like Black Rhino, they know something when nobody never know. So, Lisa got hard or something wrong with her.
Me know, enough of them a fussy. Them make it in a life and I help nobody. Like a them alone for happy. But anytime get to youth, see money we a go grab it. Smoke with and run talk with. Them think we got the talk with. The only one friend they love and the one up above. Keeping close until you then a rough twist. No one to friends where you smoke with and run talk with. And them think we got the talk with. The only one teacher love and the one up above. Keeping close until you then a rough twist. Babylon set sail for me.
Babylon set sail for me.
Pull up now. That's it, well.
You see that?
Next track.
Next track.
Listen it up.
Tells me time when she send back me money, come and send back me gun them. Tell me enemy no worry, come and now but I done them. And the teacher, not me only. We want $1 million by your morning. We want for rich, we want for rich. We want for rich, we want for rich. We want $1 million by your morning. Can't feel my mother, my mother them balling. We want for rich, we want for rich. We want for more.
Look,
mad.
They must say time. Play the one after that. They got the president.
You see, Cartel work till him sweat, you know. And you notice how him improvise and all ways big up the place and the promoter, President Dodos, you see me? Him know if to improvise and drop in them name in him song. And him just quick and very witty. You see me? Now, other artists I know if to do that so well like him.
Another one then, after that.
After that. Okay.
Jamaica, bad me no must know. God that still I see I'm a father. Boy, are you come and tell man your name, Polygon goes up your mother. Love on the West Kingston. Yeah.
So, my father, them in the place, you know, cause Bounty there, the whole alliance there. That's why I end up walk out on that, you know, with that song there. You see? Cartel a bad man, you see me? No joke. It's the business. If you're the near or one the far, man a star. So we are compete, we are show the level of performance between Aidonia and Cartel. Show you say Cartel are the done a performance.
Show some love for VYBZ KARTEL. And in the teacher. I did it. Yo. Aidonia. Don't walk up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Jam world. Bad man. Hold up on the chicken. You want me to put in the night with where you're 20. Run to the yard with expensive. Shop the bitch up intensive. The body will let the man be some really expensive. Shop the bitch up don't come from us. We don't have no blood. That's right. Little line. Wagwan. Big up.
Yeah, so when you see say Cartel entry more tougher, you know, more legendary, we can say. Cartel entry we make on the stage while Donia came out more, you know, cool and calm. But him seem tired or something if you don't watch it back. But we'll move forward.
On yourself, man. I said nothing, man. Hear me now, man. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Me say big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Tell us nothing. Level. All our president, Gaza. Long time. All our live up, Gaza. Long time. All our love and respect Chris Ryan, Gaza. All our say man buckler do the boost, Gaza. Long time. Man buckler do them. Yo, that one big up yourself, you know. And that we say, you know. I want to see them all of them rise up the rifle. Yo, That's right. Next in line. What you say? Not a next word. Next in line. Level. You see how you are.
I think that rhythm I kind of bring down in performance, right? So because the song them never really match up, and him send for the slower beat because the other one them too fast, so him just wanna use. So him want someone can DJ him fast and them comfortable pan. So that is why I'm asking that slower rhythm. Yeah. But it end up never work out well in a theme favor. You see? Cause look.
Drama parts, I'm gonna tell you something. Listen, on a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 100 on a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 100 long. You want to beat me, wow, to fuck you. Want to pussy, that's up.
You know about money, but I got to what's up.
Someone get the pussy. Yo, you want your man? Yo, go, die. Yo, right.
Never mind.
You see you?
How long I've been begging you, please? Put your arm massage up on the dance, please. Box up and cock in a robot and knees. Happy nice, happy nice, happy nice. That's the next in line. Next in line. I want this. I want this. I want this. Yo. I want this. Yo. Hear me, I say. Yo. Yo. No, no, no. See that? Think of yourself. Level. Give me one. Watch it.
Making breathe off, making breathe off, reload, reload, pull the beat it off, reload, let the breathe off,
People will talk about what we feel.
breathe off.
Last year this time. Yes, sir. Yeah. You have one call me name and never come defend him team. You talk the one name Bunga Honorable. Tell him say any name bad come and sing. Call me, kick off the bed like
Bunga,
Bunga.
what if I do? Bunga. What pussy dread Bunga?
I'm gone left for now.
So see it, Aidonia make a, as me tell you them time when Aidonia and Kartel them apart, you know, the two of them stir up deep. See it there? Aidonia just left pose a threat right there so to Bunga. And the same thing, I see him exit Kartel make to this Movado. You see me? Yeah. I say, boy, are you come and tell man your name, Gully God Ghost. Everybody say, go suck your mother. Hey! You see me? So yeah, I tell you people say, oh, the thing crazy. So what go on now as me tell you when them part ways, right? Do when you end up go back upon him word with everything when he did stand for. Cause him say him no want a freaky girl, him no want to forget him cocks up. And him end up change now, I see it for the freaky girl them. And him also did a stand on business when it comes to being an authentic DJ right through. Right? And Massacre that pattern the same thing there, like Diddy, where them try for make it seems as if being a DJ who don't sing, you're more of like moral, you know, like it's like I don't know, I was trying to make it look like a DJ who convert to singing is someone who sell out. You know what I mean? Like that was, and people in the street did actually see it like that. And from a long time, you have elders who see it like that too. You know, a few, but there's quite more people back in the days who saw things like that, like being true to the DJ thing. You know what I mean? But I mean, you have to change with the time, and if converting to singing is more lucrative, then why not? You know what I mean? If it make more money, then why not? So, you know what I mean? When Vybz Kartel goes to now, boom, and a destroy Movado in the 08, 09, it's like the people in the streets them start make a talk now, talk about say Kartel free the I must say Kartel free the Aidonia. Aidonia just a get at Kartel, you know. Get at Kartel from them part ways. Aidonia, this Kartel, everything him do, him sing about Kartel sing him sang for the freaky girl them Aidonia def on him case. You see me? And it's like to the people them think say Vybz Kartel never did pay him no attention. But as me I say, Vybz Kartel was feeding the street songs aimed at Aidonia, but people just never pick up. See? As me telling you, one of them song there was the song where I say, we no afraid of nobody, no afraid of nobody, we know. You know what I mean? Them song there. And a few others too. Meanwhile, Kartel a clash with Movado. Vybz Kartel was also in a war with Assassin. See? But enough people miss it, you know. Because even at that time, when Vybz Kartel do the song where him say, when he title Real Bad Man. I must say, from here little boy, me no fear man, and me will make you live up at the station. Bumba one, go bad up your mother, claim say you're bad tip. Right? Assassin end up they go make a song. I say, me not have to tell you about your mother for proof say I'm bad and them thing there. Well, Assassin there I say. Zayn? And by that time I think Assassin there go by the name Agent Sasko already. You understand? So and then Vybz Kartel make a next song addressing Assassin to, you know, enough people never see it, you know. You'd have to really be in tune with what I want for see who Vybz Kartel they are this. Because I tell you Vybz Kartel have a catalog of song for a bag of man Meanwhile, him a clash Movado. While enough people only think say all of them song there was for Movado. No. The man different, me I tell you. That's why I'm release so much song and him don't even know. You see him? It actually pays off because the whole of them shot at the right thing to man do. You see me I say? So even as me tell you now, so when the streets start talking, I say, oh, Cartel free that Aidonia, I'm a run from Aidonia more lyrical, this, that. See? Which by that time I see say Vibes Cartel. From Vibes Cartel go to the drawing board, you know. The man turn like Goku, a train the chamber there, you know. The what? I don't even remember what them call that chamber there where Goku got training with the gravity. I saw when Vibes Cartel left the drawing board, when got trained from over there, you know. Then when Cartel left the drawing board, he become the Super Saiyan Farm 5, you know. You see what I say? So nobody couldn't test Cartel when it reached like '09, '10, even before that. But by '09, '10, the man sing some beautiful song with deadly. Kill them like R&B. Drive out the car and we load them tension. Then no pop screen. Yo, mad you know. Not till the Cartel find some blood knot song. Even the one where the man has said about never them will get murder. Never them will get murder. Then they might rap. No time to fight back. We not fire less than 25 shots. Be paid up with upon every one of my strap. And then I fire less than 25 shots. You don't go slide straps. Upon the right vibe. Yo, all of a set people better than Cartel. And Cartel are the sickest thing. It come like you miss all of them things that Cartel they do. You see what I say? Yo, the man sang them terrible. Terrible. I don't know how the man. Well, I know I'm fine them. As I tell you when Cartel go to the drawing board, man. Terrible. And then guess what I go on to now? 2010 now when Cartel and I'm Super Saiyan 5 farm. I kill the place. And I'm gonna do lyricist, because the people them must say, oh, don't more lyrical. So Cartel go do a song named Lyricist. And people still feel for understand say I don't know that song they was directed for. And that song was composed with a new millennial type of style that was different from ever before all of that was going on. Because you couldn't counteract. Aidonia couldn't counteract Lyricist Part 1. And when the streets are say Aidonia more lyrical and Vibes Cartel go drop Lyricist Part 1. See him? How you go counteract that? When it's something new. No style in other format. No song never been done in other format there. See him? Where Cartel just talk about himself and how lyrical he is. He not talk about no gun. He not talk about how he will bust out the head. The song I talk about how him lyrical and better than Jay-Z, the man. You get me I say? So that was a new format thing where Donia, it sent Donia in a coma, me I tell you. Because him did well want to respond to that song there, you know. But when, you see it, when Cartel got to the Lyricist Part 1, right, and it fuck up the place, them go interview Aidonia and say, so vibe them talk to Donny about I don't remember which interview that was, you know, but I remember it like yesterday when the lyricist dropped. And I think I probably Anthony Miller, you know, but I may be wrong. But I remember the host asked Aidonia said like something about Cartel lyricist. And they must say, if him not got answer or something like so. And like Donny would have say, you know, say a gimmick song that. You know, like Aidonia tell the people on the interview say, a gimmick song that. You can't answer that. You know what I mean? But him just never witty enough. Because all Donia had to do to answer that, you know, was just go do a lyrical song, but a boast about himself being the most lyrical, the better lyricist. You get me? I said that's all he had to do to compete with that song there. Even though for years before that it was who have the biggest gun and who can bust out how much head, and you know what I mean? So Vibes Cartel put out lyricists and say, alright, if you want a DJ better than me, I'm more lyrical. Make him test that song, yeah. And it sent Donia in a coma. So Cartel goes a boom, fast forward now to 2011. Cartel go get locked up. Donia try to make a comeback. But he end up go on an interview. I don't know, they go on an interview and I tell the host them say, because the host them say, Donia, how come we not hear nothing much from you? Like, you know what I mean? Although in 2010 I don't know, did find a gear, can did have the bad song on radio. I get heavy rotation, but bad picking is away, bad picking it, Gaza, you know? and they sing over the old classic song, the Bad Picking. And him did have the take away girl card in the man. But back in the 08, so Zane, when him did do a bubbler song, a one bubbler song is a girl song when him did do. And Cartel have seen bubbler song too. Where Cartel say, bubbler, 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 my girl, you a bubbler, bubbler, bubbler. Cartel bubbler song did way better, but I don't want a girl song where title bubbler too did bad. It's like, it would have want to look like I don't want to get a fight after him and Cartel separate. Like the business shut him out, or it coming like him did that play a video game. Cause even Donia tell people say him love play a video game when him fans them say Donia even know you know music. Him himself tell them say him love play a video game, PlayStation and them thing there. So sometime him, you know what I mean? Which even that make me look on him like, yo dog, video game, come on man. You see me used to love video game I grew up, you know, but I think I kind of grew up enough for the fun where me used to have inside about video games. So when me hear Donia talk about video game them time there, which made it still love play video game in time, but not as that crazy. Like, come on, let it go. You have better things to do and make bigger money. We have to talk about video game. So, you know what I mean? So then when Cartel goes to boom and drop a jail now, we see Anthony Miller go interview him again and he made find the song. Cause I tell you, in a 2010, I don't want to find some bad song I get radio play. It's like him work back him way in the business. So if him there get a fight, it's like him thing that, or if him there play a video game, him stop and start focus. And him start out there and him start to bring Diablo, who is governor, known as governor. See, Diablo, I mean the devil in Spanish. So I guess, you know, them did want to bring out Diablo as like this killer. You know what I mean? But then everybody says a Diablo cool and thing, and you know what I mean? So yeah man, I just saw the thing set. I'm mad thing man. So when Cartel drop a jail now and ER with Anthony Miller bring in Aidonia for an interview. They must say, yes, Aidonia, so what you feel about thing there? I'm gonna dig up the video phone. You see me? And play it. And Donia boss, you see how Donia like him did happy said the dog drop a jail so him can get fame shine. Cause enough people used to say back then, so when Cartel a run road, you know, enough artists enough artists career binding, you know, them can't get. You get me I say? Even Cargo boss about this, cause Cargo glad for no say he remained current throughout Vybz Kartel season. Zane, when Vybz Kartel was out and a teacher's pet and thing. Cargo boast about this because Cargo knows say enough artists struggle. You get me I say? Them time they went Cartel out. So Cartel is something to be reckoned. Trust me. You see me? Even his enemies knows this. You see me? I'll do a non-enemy and all kind of pretty different. You see me? I'll change my life and turn around. You see it and see things to a different perspective. You see me? So I don't want to cock up foot on ER say, yeah, we have a run road now. Cartel down to prison. Yeah, man, we have a run road now. And, you know, it's like Anthony Miller fling him a bait and him take the bait. Just like somebody telling us, Mavada take the bait when Cartel say him and Mavada are the biggest thing, and if promoter want to make money, then for book them. Zane? And then that Cartel go see that in the midst of the heated war where him and Mavada have, you know, with the alliance them back him, you know. So you can just imagine, and then them go interview Mavada next and say, Cartel said that you and him is the biggest thing, and if promoter want to sell off, I'm sure one of them for book. Mavada go say, yeah man, he's right. You know what I mean? And agree to it. So he take the bait when him shouldn't do that. Cause from Mavada go agree with Cartel, they say, no, him not stop agree with Cartel. Them turn best a friend and thing. So you have to watch out for the secret move them where enemy them are fleeing. You get me? I say, yeah. So yeah, I don't ever take the bait. And I say, yeah man, I run back road. And them time they in 2011, he did have the song with Diablo, aka Governor. But you know we run road, we gun road. See me? So him get back a big song. See? Now Cartel drop a jail and I do a boss. But little after I do go cock up foot on ER and I say, oh him gonna take over now and him get time if he can do him thing now cause I did lock up. See him? Only to behold, he thought that Vybz Kartel days of vicing and recording music was done. That the only thing and many of us had thought, you know. But all and behold, Vybz Kartel did it by wrapping the mattress around his head and a vice. You see what I say? Mad respect you for that, Adi. I tell you, unstoppable. You see me? Yeah, unstoppable. I tell you. So, little after I don't go both say, come a road. Who was come a road, come take over. See? I don't like say take over, like you not really take over. 'Cause Cartel never stop once. From Cartel drop a jail, no new song no release for Cartel until 2012. So remember saying get locked up at the near the ending of 2011, like September or August. So then him run out that year there. And we have fret about Cartel and fret about Cartel. And then here comes 2012. A year. Yo, Dan, don't fret. Gaza boss. You see me? Gaza boss and Cartel start your song from Cartel. You see me in a 2012. Even the song with him and Tommy Lee. But them boy they are praise. You see me? Yeah man, and you see me? Some of them only one got it. I don't know where the boy don't ever surprise me. Listen to the rest of the story. Why see the carrot, Tommy Chain and Ton Bomb? Yeah, people, a mad thing. So this is just a reminder to the one another, to the clans, to all of the fans. That the Vibes Cartel, they continuously drop the lyrical bombs.